The BMW i3 is a fully electric premium SUV that merges BMW's driving heritage with modern electric mobility. Built on the same platform as the X3, the i3 uses BMW's fifth-generation eDrive system, combining the motor, transmission, and electronics into a single compact unit. It delivers 286 horsepower, 210 kilowatts, and 400 Nm of torque to the rear wheels, achieving 0 to 100 km/h acceleration in just 6.8 seconds with a top speed limited to 180 km/h. Power comes from an 80 kWh battery, 74 kWh usable, offering a real-world range of 450 to 470 km WLTP, depending on conditions, and energy consumption is approximately 18 to 21.8 kWh/100 km. Charging options include 150 kilowatts DC fast charging, which adds 100 to 133 kilometers of range in about 10 minutes and charges from 10% to 80% in around 34 minutes. AC charging with an 11 kilowatts wallbox takes roughly 7 to 8 hours for a full charge. A flexible fast charger, optional wallbox, and preconditioning system for the battery are also included. The i3's exterior blends sporty SUV proportions with electric-specific styling elements such as a closed kidney grille, aerodynamic wheels, adaptive LED or optional laser headlights, panoramic glass roof, and a powered tailgate. It measures 4,734 mm in length, 1,891 mm in width, and 1,668 mm in height, with a boot capacity of 510 liters, expandable to 1,560 liters. Inside, the i3 offers a luxury cabin with sports seats in synthetic or genuine leather, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a matching 12.3-inch touchscreen for infotainment. It supports BMW operating system 7 with iDrive, gesture control, voice command, and integrated Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additional interior features include ambient lighting, tri-zone climate control, Harman Kardon sound system, wireless phone charging, and acoustic glass for a quieter ride. The i3 is packed with advanced safety and driver assist technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision warning, emergency braking, blind spot detection, traffic sign recognition, and adaptive LED headlights. The Parking Assistant Plus system offers a 360-degree camera, reversing assistant, and automated parking. There's also a head-up display, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and digital key functionality. Driving dynamics are enhanced by adaptive suspension, selectable regenerative braking with 4 levels, including one-pedal mode, and sound-enhanced driving with BMW Iconic Sounds Electric composed by Hans Zimmer. Connectivity features include the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, over-the-air software updates, and integration with the My BMW app for remote access, trip planning, and charging control. BMW is also preparing to launch the next-generation i3, codenamed NA5, which will be the first model based on the all-new Nui class platform. It will debut in September 2025 and begin production in Europe by late 2025, followed by production for global markets including North America and Asia in early 2026. This upcoming version will bring major improvements in battery efficiency, digital features, and design, marking a new chapter in BMW's electric evolution. Subscribe my channel for more luxury car updates.